Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Screencastify and our Loom. So here this guy is actually explaining how to use what is the difference between Screencastify and Loom. So it is a very interesting video. You can watch this later if you are interested in. So that's the video you can go to watch the teacher what is the difference. Okay, so but for time's sake, I do not have time to show you the video, so I'm going back to my PowerPoint. So according to Miss Friends, so here are the difference between Screencastify and Loom. So the Screencast, both of them are free screen recorder for Chrome, and so it's going to be on your Chrome tab. The Loom has desktop too, so that you can have it on the desktop. If you're interested. With the free account, you can only video record for 5 minutes, where the Loom you can record up to 25 minutes. And as an educator, you can have the. However, for the making a video for students, I think 5 minutes would be a really good amount of time, because usually they do not like have. I'm okay with the 5 minutes also. Okay, and Screencastify you cannot use on mobile, where the Loom you can download the app and you can use it on iPhone and iPad. If Screencastify both can capture the tabs, not the tables, tabs and whole screen or webcam only. So that's the choice you have. You can move webcam around in recording, where Loom, on top of that, you can also resize the webcam, or you can use your avatar instead of, you prefer that. But you have the option to not use the webcam. So either way, it's good. I like Screencastify annotations. You have draw tools and highlighting annotations. So that's a plus for Screencastify. And the plus Screencastify is a plus for me is that you can auto save to Google Drive, and then you can share the link, or you can actually upload your video you can also share directly to Google Classroom. So that's actually a huge time saver, and that's the reason I mainly use Screencastify, because okay, so I am going to show you how to use the Screencastify today. So I'm just going to exit one. Already downloaded the Screencastify extension and Loom extension from the Google extension. So here is so if you type in Google extension, type in the Screencastify. Screencastify, and then that's the extension thing. If you type in Loom, you can get the extension. And then I always pin my heavy using extensions on my tab, so it's there. I can just click it there. Okay, so I am as my guinea pig. So you click the Screencastify here. Now you see this thing, and then you can choose browser tab or desk camera. Okay, so if you just stick with this tab, then use this one. But if you are going to move to the different tabs like this one, you want to use the desktop, so you can freely move around. And if you just want to videotape yourself speaking, then use the webcam only. To download the Screencastify or Loom extension to their Chromebook, they can do that for yourself and ask them to videotape themselves from there, or set it webcam. So this I will enable it. So when I start record, my face will come up. So if you do start recording, this is how it's, but I do not want to show my face, so I am going to disable it today. Okay, so the record, I will start the recording. Okay, now it's already recording. So say, こんにちは。今日のカレンダーです。何月ですか ?10 月です。Oh, 何日ですか And then here is the highlight. 何日ですか ?1 日、2日、3日、4日、5日、6日、7日、8日。So you can use that, or you can just go to, don't use any mouse, or highlight clicks. So you can, okay? So that's the thing. And then when you are done, you're just going to stop your video. And it will automatically goes to bring you to this screencast. Now, I'm going to change this video's name to test. Okay, so that's how it will appear. And then here you already have the shareable link. So I'm on my Google Classroom or my website if you like, or you can go to share to the classroom. And then from here, you can choose your class. And then you can choose the action. I can just post it. See, that's the video is already here and you can just post it. So that's super easy. The other thing I told you, I'm going to publish it to my Maloney JLC YouTube page, and then I will make it to the public or unlisted, and then you just say upload, and then it will upload to the YouTube video, to the YouTube channel or from the YouTube. So I can put this on the class also, I mean Google Classroom also, because this is easy. Sometimes it's just on the other link. So it's your preference. It also actually is already saved in my Google Drive. So they create Screencastify folder automatically. And in here, it is already, oops, it should be coming up here, but it's going to be, I just created. So it's automatically saved to the Google Drive, which is really great. And with your G Suite School Google Drive, you can store unlimited. So this saves you the video part of the Screencastify. And that's it. And then you can make the video for your students for the input practice, the listening practice, to introduce the conversation. So this is really, really easy to do. Okay, I hope this helped you. And if you have any questions,